Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, flip the bike or use a stand and put the chain on the smallest cog. Check the derailleur hanger for bends. A misaligned hanger ruins indexing, so straighten or mark for replacement. Next, inspect cable and housing for frays, corrosion, or kinks because smooth cables equal crisp shifts. Shift to the smallest cog, then loosen the cable anchor about 1/2 turn. This frees the cable so you can fine-tune tension in the next phase. Keep tools ready. Once done freeing the cable, set the low and high limit screws so the derailleur stops exactly at the largest and smallest cogs. Make quarter-turn changes and test each time, since overshoot causes dropped chains. Then use the barrel adjuster. Turn clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen cable tension until shifts are crisp across the cassette. Also inspect the B-tension screw and set jockey wheel gap to about 5 to 6 millimeters. That gap ensures smooth shifts and avoids rubbing under load. Now ride or spin the cranks under moderate load and shift through every gear. You must check performance while the drivetrain is pressured, because problems often appear only then. If you feel hesitation, retension the cable slightly with the barrel adjuster, then retest. If trouble persists, inspect for a bent hanger, a worn cassette or chain, or sticky cables. Any of those will ruin shifts. One simple tip: align the derailleur hanger with a straightening tool before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.